All right. What's up? What's up? Hello, everybody. Good evening from where I am right now. Good afternoon, good morning, regardless on where you're going to be watching this recorded live stream. Okay, so I'm back again to talk about the continuation of market structure. Okay, how to identify market structure and how to properly or how to draw the market structure in the right way. So yesterday, when I was making my first video about this topic, I used the monthly and the weekly time frame. Okay, and today I'm going to be looking at the daily and the 4 hour chart. And what I'm going to be doing on the 4 hour and the daily charts, you can also apply the same scenario on all the rest of the other time frame. All right, so and you're going to get the same result. All right. Oh, sorry, this wasn't the chart I was making use of. So let me quickly get to the charts right here and close all indicators. Okay, so this was the chart that I was making use of, right? So this was the weekly market structure. So I stopped right here on the weekly time frame. So this is the weekly market structure right now. You can see this is the extension leg. Okay, impulse. All right, why? Because previously the market structure, or you can call it market wave, was done. So this was the extension, then the market made a short-term uptrend right here, higher highs, higher lows, higher high, then extension again, right? So by the time the market broke this high, this down market structure, retracement high. Okay, so the market broke this high. When the market made this higher high like this, it terminated this high. Automatically, that means the market structure has just changed from down to up. So at this moment in time, we have the first extension leg. Okay, so all of this that you guys are looking at is a short-term downtrend that can be referred to, okay, as the retracement of this upcoming market wave or market structure. All right, okay, so like I said yesterday, this up market structure we are looking at on the weekly is not going to happen. All right, because higher time frame, okay, controls smaller time frames. So what is happening on the monthly is going to control what is happening on the weekly. All right, so for me, I'm expecting price to still continue the trend from the monthly time frame perspective to the downside. All right, so that is what I am looking at here right now. Now we are going to go quickly all the way to the daily chart in order not to waste much time. Okay, and I'm just going to delete because we're going to do the same thing what we did on the monthly and what we did on the weekly. We're going to do the same thing so we don't make mistake. All right, we don't make mistake. So I'm just going to do the same thing on the daily chart. So one thing you guys want to take to heart, okay, is that when you want to identify market structure on whatever time frames, until you are so familiar with the chart, until you are you have become so familiar with the chart, you can identify it. Even by mere looking at the chart, you can understand that this market structure in this time frame is down or up. You want to continue to always draw your market structure from the monthly resistance band area. Okay, if it is support, you want to start from the support band area. All right, and this is, like I said yesterday, this is the monthly resistance band area. So long term price should go all the way to the downside, right? So for us to identify if this market, the market structure is really down or up, just like what we have on the day, on the weekly, because this is the daily right now, we need to start to draw the market structure from here. All right, and that's what we're going to do right now. So let's get into it. So let's not forget yesterday, so we're starting from here because this is the absolute high right now, okay, because the market came here first and came down and went up again. So now we have a market structure. So this is a high and this is another high, so we're going to go by like this. So it's going to be extension, and this is higher high, a retracement, higher low, and higher high. And the market did what? The market started making lower lows, lower high, lower lows, lower high, right? But we're not going to talk about the lower lows on these ones, okay? But that is how the market works. Before it makes the extension leg, it must start with the short-term trend. All right, so this is extension right now, and this is another short-term uptrend at this level. Higher highs, higher lows, higher high. There's no low here, okay? There's no low here. Yeah, there's no low here, but there's a high, so we're just going to stay by this and move this guy here. All right, so that's what. So this is our market structure: extension, retracement, extension, retracement. Then we're going to find the next extension leg. Okay, now look at what happened here on the daily. The market made a new this high here, okay? This high is higher than this high. So what are we going to do? Okay, in this scenario, the market took out this high also, all the same. So we can say the market structure changed from down, okay, because back in time this was the trend line that was supporting the okay, that was supporting this short-term downtrend and market structure. Okay, this was the market structure back in time: extension, retracement, extension. So this trend line was confirming, and at the time the trend line was broken to this place, market came down and went up again. So what are we going to do at this point in time? Okay, for example, okay, so the market started making extension at this point in time, retracement, lower lows, lower high, lower lows, and extension. And the market made another short-term downtrend here too, lower lows, lower high, lower lows, and extension. All right, so that is another market structure right there. Okay, so extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension, back in time. All right, so this was what we have. Then what happened next? We can clearly see that at this point in time the market changed this when it broke this up market structure retracement low here. Okay, so the market broke that low, and from this level we can see the market did this low here, terminating this up market structure, because that was an up market structure from here. And we have the trend line that was also confirming the up market structure, let's not forget. Okay, and talking about how to properly draw a trend line, this is the right way. Okay, you must not break candle, wicks, and body. So this was the trend line by time. I am breaking the wick body right here, all right, but that move has already occurred and passed, because this was the trend we are trailing, not this one. This is down, this is up, so we are trailing. So for the fact that we are trailing the trend, we must not break any body candle wicks onto this level here. And this was where the sell started. The trend line, first this third trend line was terminated, okay, just like I taught in my one of my videos, okay, when I was teaching about how to properly draw trend lines. So once this trend line was broken, a signal, an earlier signal at monthly resistance band area, okay, showed that this market is going to sell. All right, but that breaking of the trend line is not a reason enough to sell the market until the market structure changed. So when the market structure changed, so price from here went down right here, terminated this low, automatically this up market structure trend was terminated. Yes, it was terminated once this low was broken. Okay, because this is the borderline of this up market structure previously. So once it was terminated, it means that this up market structure from here has been terminated. Now a down market structure is approaching. Okay, that is what the market is telling us, and that is more reason why whatever the market showed to us is what we should do as a beginner or advanced trader. So the market started going down. So at this level, we can clearly see that the market also made a retracement, okay, back in time right here. So this was this became an extension here, and this also became a retracement. The market made higher highs, higher low, and higher high, and it made another extension down all the way here. So this became a down market structure again, and the trend line too was also supporting that. Yes, this is a down market structure, guys. Okay, let me use the red one, as you can see. All right, and this is a borderline. Okay, the down market structure retracement high. Okay, so all of these areas are important areas, borderlines of market structure. Okay, that when the market, if the market is going to break those highs or lows, it means the structure has just shift from one side to the next side, and that was what happened when this high was terminated by this high here. All right, so the market started making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and terminated this high. Automatically this down market structure previously is no longer valid. All right, and what did the market do at that time? Let's find out. So the market made so this is a high. Okay, yes, the market made a short-term downtrend. So at that time we have this, so let's go like this. So we have this from here we have extension. Okay, we have this extension. There is no retrace. Let me see, there is a retracement here. So we have yes, a lower low here. Okay, extension, that's a retracement, and we have this also retracement right here. This is a high. Okay, we have a retracement here, lower low here, lower high here, lower lows. I think the market made a new low here, so we are going to escape, because we can clearly see right now that the market made a new high also. Okay, although this high is still the highest high compared to this high. So what are we going to do? Okay, at this moment, since this is lower than this low, we are just going to commence to let me see. Okay, this is the highest high, so this is a retracement, and this is an extension. Okay, so back in time, let's understand this part first. So back in time, this was an extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension, right? Then the market did a lot of and let's not forget also, we also have the trend line too, that was confirming that up market structure trend. Okay, and let's try to understand this. There is what is called up market structure trend on the market structure. We also have trend lines on the short-term trends. Okay, hopefully we're going to be talking about that maybe in my other upcoming videos in the nearest futures. So at this point in time, we can clearly see what the market did from here. The market did all of these shenanigans, you know, that can confuse many of us along the way. So the market made a high here. Okay, it also made a low here. So what does that simply mean? It means that this up market structure, this previous one, okay, So let's divide it. Okay, so this is a different scenario right now. Okay, so this scenario is different from what we are seeing here right now. Let's understand it first. So so the market made a high and it made a low. All right, so this is supposed to be an extension and retracement and extension. Okay, yes, because this is a high extension from the up market structure previously. So this now is an extension, because this low here is lower than this low. All right, so this is going to be a retracement. So this is a retracement. The market retraced from here, lower lows here, lower high here, lower lows here. The market made a new higher high. The market did not make a new higher high that is higher than this high, because we need a high that is higher than this high. All right, that is supposed to be an extension. All right, but the market here did not make a high, right? Exactly. So all what happened here, it's for me it's a chaos. Okay, it's like a confusion. But because the market has already happened and gone, so what we need to do right now, we just have to, because we can clearly see that the market also went from here, it went down, right? So we're going to consider where is going to be the extension, where is going to be the retracement. So this for me is going to be an extension. Okay, extension, and this is going to be a retracement. Okay, yes, and this is an extension because this make a low that is lower than this low. Excuse me, guys. Okay, all right, let's continue. So this is a retracement also. This is this is an extension, this is a retracement. All right, this is an extension. Okay, and this is a retracement. You can see the market is making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, right here. Then the market made a long extension leg. Okay, so we're going to change the color to black as usual, and market structure change from extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension. So before the extension, we always start. Let's not forget, the market must wave. Like you guys can see here, the market is making, before the extension leg must start, the market must start with a short-term trend. Lower lows, lower high, lower lows, lower high, and lower lows. Okay? And let's not forget also that extensions are always longer than retracements. Alright? If you measure this high and this low, the number is different from this low to this high, and you're going to see the numbers are bigger right here compared to this. All right, now this is the extension leg to this area. Okay, let's check it very well. All right, so right here we saw that there is a retracement at this level. So this is the extension here. All right, and this is a retracement. We have higher highs, higher low, and okay, let me check. Oh, sorry, there is no short-term uptrend here. This is a high, but there is no low here, and this is supposed to be a low, but it's also a high and a low, so we cannot use it as a short-term uptrend on the daily time frame. On the smaller time frame, such as the 1 hour and 4 hour chart, definitely we have a short-term trend here for a fact. Okay, so we're going to extend this all the way to the down. So this is our extension leg right here. Okay, and so we have extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension. All right, so let's continue. Okay, so we have the market goes on and on and on and on like this. So this became a retracement. You can see higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, right? Extension, retracement, and we have a extension. So at this point in time, we have the market making a higher high here. You can see that short-term uptrend. So this is a retracement, and this is another extension. All right, now quickly the market made a new low. All right, since the market made a new low, okay, let me see. So okay, let's forget about that. That is another scenario. So from here, the market made higher highs, right? The market started making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and higher high, right? So the market terminated this down market structure retracement low, I mean high here. When this market made this high, all of this high here, you can see it's higher than this high. What does that simply mean? It simply means that this down market structure, okay, has been terminated once this high was taken out by this higher short-term uptrend. All right, so at this point in time we have a new market structure. Okay, so this is how you try to identify the daily market structure. So we have a first extension leg, and the market did this short-term downtrend there, lower lows, lower high, lower low. So we're just going to extend it as an extension retracement extension. Let's see, is there a retracement here? This is the low. This is a high. Do we have a low here? We have a low and we have a high here. So this is a, okay, lower lows, lower high, lower low. So this is a retracement, and we have a new extension like here. Okay, all right, so back in time, that is where the up market structure ended. And we also have the trend line too that was confirming that the market back in time, the market structure was up until the trend line was broken, and the market started making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, as you guys can see, lower lows, lower high, lower lows. So once this low here terminated this low here, okay, it means that this up market structure has already changed as it is right now to a down market structure. Okay, so this was relevant high back in time, relevant up market structure low, retracement low, this is the high. So all these are important areas we want to, because we have a short-term downtrend here, important level of okay, what do I call that, level of market structures we want to consider. Okay, so once this low here was terminated, then we have a new down market structure. Okay, so at this point in time we have the market making a lower lows also. So we have a first leg, so this became an extension, and right here we can see that the market, let's see, higher highs, higher lows, higher high. So the market did this. Okay, this is a retracement short-term uptrend here, and we have another, this is extension, retracement extension. Do we have a short-term uptrend here? Let's check. Yes, we do. So we have this from here, short-term retracement, short-term uptrend, and then we have this all the way to the downside. Then we're going to change the color to black. All right, so all these areas, okay, are border lines that are important, that we want to pay attention to confirm if the structure that we are trading, if it's still intact, or maybe it has been terminated. All right, so these are border lines that are very, very important, that we want to always keep eyes on when we are charting the market or where we are trading. So right here we have another short-term uptrend here, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, right? So we have so extension, we have a retracement, we have extension here. Do we have a short-term uptrend here, right in the middle right here? No, we don't. So we're going to extend this. At this point in time we do have a short-term uptrend, but since this one is the high and the market made a new low, so it's not important. So let's just move on. Okay, so this because we have a new low here. And let's check. We don't have a retracement here, and let's go all the way down to this level. So these are, like I said, the border lines. We must identify those areas, because if we don't identify those areas, when the market broke all those areas, we might not be able to see it in time. So right here, what happened right here? Let's check. Let's go further. So this is still the high. So I can clearly see that the market made a high here. All right, so let's confirm the high, the numbers. Okay, if this is still a high, okay, so we're going to use the price note, okay, to confirm the high. So this is 0.81633. And now let's check the other high that I'm looking at, if it's the same or maybe it's higher. Speaking about this high here, okay. So let's look at the two numbers. So this one is 0.81633, 0.8. This one is 16, 816. This one is 813. So this one is still higher than this high, right? So this market structure is still telling us that the market structure is still down. All right. So this high did not take out this high. So the market structure is still down. That is what the market is telling me. All right. Even when the market played along, you know, it did all of this. But okay. I'm missing something, guys. So the market did a short-term uptrend here. All right. So let me implement this. The market did a short-term uptrend here. All right, at this level. So we have a higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and higher high. Okay, we have, this is a high, this is a high. I don't know which one is the highest among the two, so I'm just going to use the price note to try to identify which one is higher by the number. Okay, this one is 0.73, 0.7388. So this one is 73,855, 73,822. So this one is higher. So the market made a short-term uptrend right there. So I'm just going to go like this. So, and the market made a new lower low compared to this low. So that is an extension right there. All right, guys, the market changed the down market structure. Okay. All right, so the market changed that structure right there. So once this high was terminated by this short-term uptrend that was going on up, all right, it means the down market structure has been taken out by this movement right here. All right, so we're just going to do the same thing. All right, so all right, so right here we have the first extension leg right here. All right, do we have a short-term downtrend here? Yes, we do, because this is a lower lows and lower high. Okay, this is another lower low and lower high, lower low right here. Okay, so this is a retracement here, and let's go, because we need a high that is higher than this high right now. So let's go all the way up and let's see. All right, so we have this high. Okay, so this was the next high here. Okay, so the market made this high and retraced from here to this level, retracement, and made a new higher high. All right, so this became, and the trend line too back in time was confirming that the trend market structure was up back in time. All right, so the borderline area, the borderlines area, very important, borderline area, and the borderline area down here. All right, so let's watch the market. The market started making lower lows, lower high, lower lows all the way down, and terminated this up market structure retracement low. Okay, once that happened by this movement, it means that this up market structure previously is gone, not important anymore. All right, yes. Now we now concentrate on the down market structure. So we are not going to draw our market structure from here. Okay, for example, if you look at, let me show you guys something at this area. Let me look at it if it's right. Let's see. Yes, at this area you guys will notice that the market did a short-term uptrend here, higher highs, higher lows, and higher high. This is higher. All right, the market did this short-term uptrend, but by the time the market did this short-term uptrend, the market at the time, it has not terminated this low. Okay, now how do we start to draw the market structure? Are we not going to draw our market structure, the extension leg from here to this level, because this is where we saw a short-term uptrend, a retracement, because this was the low. The market at this area here, okay, took out this low. Then we are going to draw the extension leg and consider this as our first retracement, down market structure retracement. Is this what we are going to do? The answer is no. We are not going to omit, or we are not going to neglect this short-term uptrend. All right, so we're going to start our extension leg just like this, and we are going to include this short-term uptrend right here as our first retracement. Extension, retracement, extension, retracement, and we are like this. So I'm just going to delete this one. So that is how we draw the market structure. Okay, we must not omit that first one, we must include it. All right, but then we know that we are no longer in a up market structure. Okay, talking about this up market structure, so let me change the color to green, not black. All right, so that shows that uptrend, bullish movement. Now we have bearish movements. I try to leave it on the color black, or better still, let me change the color to this one. Okay, signifying a downtrend movement, or that market structure movement. So at this point in time, we can clearly see also this is an extension. Did the market make a short-term uptrend here? Not at all. So we're just going to go all the way to this area. So the market made this short-term uptrend here, but because we can clearly see what the market did back in time, the market still make, you know, this is a low. So if we would have considered this, the market still made a new low, so it's not necessary. So let's just take this down to this area. Okay, as our extension. Okay, already we can clearly see what happened in the past. All right, we can see it has happened and it has gone. So this will be the retracement. Okay, and this will be an extension, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, retracement, and all the way down here, because we need to find a low that is lower than this low. So for me, this is a lower low here. Okay, and let's not forget those border lines. So this is an important level. Okay, an important level, an important, so they are border lines of the market structure, those retracements. All right, and we have this one here. Okay, and we have this here too, and this. All right, now extension, and the retracement, and extension, retracement, an extension all the way here. So market structure continues to that level. So we have the border lines here, and we have the border line here. Then what happened? The market started making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher, and terminated this down market structure retracement high, meaning we are no longer in a down market structure anymore. Okay, and the trend line was terminated from this level. Okay, so we have a retracement here. Do we have a retracement here? No. I can clearly see a short-term retracement here. Okay, so it's going to go like this. We have a up market structure right now, so we have a short-term downtrend here. So extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension, retracement. This is no retracement, because there is a low here, there is no high here. This is higher, right, than this high. Am I right? Let's check. Let's not guess. All right, 0.7837, 0.7838. So this is 374. This one is 384. So this is higher. So which means we have a short-term downtrend here. All right. So this candle is higher than this candle. All right. So we have a short-term downtrend here. Okay. So the change color to green. So but the market did not make a new high. Okay, the market didn't make a new high, as we can clearly see right now. All right, the market came down, making lower lows, lower high, lower lows, lower high, and terminated this up market structure retracement low, making this up market structure to be defeated, and now we have a down market structure. Okay, so what we're going to do is, all right, so we're not going to forget a borderline, and we have all of these, and their border lines. We have one, but it's too tiny, so let's leave it. So we have the first extension leg and retracement. We have a short term. Quickly, let's check. We have a short term uptrend here, but because we can clearly see that the market also made a new high, okay, high that is higher than this high, so we are just going to neglect this short-term uptrend. All right, this is what we're going to consider, because already we see the market, it has gone all the way to the downside, right? Okay, so that is how the market works. Okay, so we have extension, we have retracement, we have a short-term downtrend, just like what happened right here. You can see here too, and the market made a new high. It also made a new low. So we're just going to consider this level as the retracement low and retracement high too here. And we've got this guy here as what? Extension. We have a short-term retracement here too, and we have another extension right here, because the low is lower than this low. Okay, and we're going to change the color. And we have the border lines, let's not forget. All right, so if you know, it will be difficult for you to spot those border lines on the market structure. I advise you do it the way I'm doing it. Okay, but if you can easily spot it, your eyes are already glued to the market, you can just leave it. Now the market terminated this borderline down market, down market structure retracement high. Okay, let's not forget we have the trend line. Okay, the trend line previously was telling us that the market structure was down, so we are not going to break any of those candle wicks right from up there, right? So because it's a down market structure, now we can clearly see that when the market was going up, starting from here, higher highs, higher lows, higher high lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher high, the market broke this down market structure retracement high. What does that tell us? That this down market structure previously has been terminated. Then we have the next up market structure from here. So we have extension, the market made a lower lows, lower high, lower lows, retracement, and extension leg. All right, green. And trend line was also back in time, helping us to confirm that the market previously was up. All right, and now you guys can wondering, why am I drawing my trend line like this, breaking this movement? Okay, let's not forget, like I said earlier, this is the trend. The green trend line is confirming. Okay, this is a down market move. It does not, this trend line doesn't have anything to do with this down market move. All right, but this trend line is telling us that the market broke the trend line right here and it started falling to the downside. So it's a signal for a sell also. And we can clearly see that when the market came here at this level, it terminated this borderline right here. Okay, terminated the borderline, telling us that the up market structure is no longer valid. All right, so a down market structure is already coming. So what do? This is already gone right now. It's no longer important. So we have to face what we have on ground, what the market is telling us. So right here, we can clearly see that at this point in time on the daily, the market made this short-term uptrend right here, right? Yes, we have higher highs, higher low, and higher high, right? So extension, retracement, extension, retracement. Hopefully we have another extension to the downside right there. Yes, so this is the next extension leg to this level. And we have the border lines also. I'm identifying the border lines, right? And if I cannot be able to do the 4-hour chart, you guys can just do the same thing right there. Okay, so right here the market, let's confirm if the market made a new high. Okay, let's see. Yes, the market made a new high. So this high here is higher than this high. So but in between, take a very close look at this market. Did the market made a short-term downtrend when the market was going up, higher highs, higher lows, higher in between? The answer is no. So it is not necessary for us to consider that this market structure change. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to change. This is where we now make an adjustment. Okay, so we're going to make our adjustment right now. So we're going to take this high, we're going to put it here, and this, we're going to extend this to the downside. We're going to bring this to this area here. All right, so the market structure to the downside continues. So this is where we have a long market structure to the downside. Oh, we are almost it's already there. So this is where I'm just going to leave everything. So right now the market, and this is where we adjust the trend line. Okay, because the market structure, it is still down. Okay, previously, oh, let me get something straight, guys. Let's get something straight. I don't want to, let's get something straight here. We're going to leave it like that. It's like that. Okay, so here like this. So the down market structure here. So this up short-term market structure is a different story. Okay, now we have a down market structure right here. Okay, right here, and the trend line previously was confirming it until the trend line 2 was broken right here. All right, so this was what we have back in time. So the border lines, it was terminated. Okay, now this is a different story. All right, what happened here right now, it's a different story. That market structure we can see from here to here, and now the market break this high here. Okay, took out this high. What does that mean? It means that we are no longer in this this down market structure is no longer valid. Now we have a high. Yes, we have a high. Okay, first leg, up market structure. Okay, this is the first extension leg, and this is going to be the retracement. Yes, this is going to be the retracement. So I'm going to do it like this, extension, and this is the retracement. So this is where we are right now. So until this market that we are looking at, all of this this mess that we are looking at right here, until the market makes a new low, okay, until the market makes a new low that is lower than this low, and the market makes a new high that is higher than this high, my friends, traders all around the world, beginners and advanced, this market, for me, it's really complicated. Okay, it is really complicated. All right, talking about market structure, this is very complicated right now. But let's know, have it in our mind that this down market structure is no longer valid. Why? Because the market made a high that is higher than this down market structure retracement high. So therefore, we have the first up market structure extension leg and the retracement. Okay, so for now, this is where we are. Okay, maybe the market is going to do what you want to do and make a new low that's lower than this low. Then we can now adjust this down market structure. All right, we're going to take this high to be this high, and our market structure is going to be still down, not up. Okay, that is what we're going to do. But right now, this is where we are. All right, and we are no longer in a down market structure anymore on the daily time frame. But the weekly market structure, like we did yesterday, okay, it is also the same thing we have on the weekly market structure. So the market structure on the weekly time frame right here made a new high right here, and this was the low on the weekly time frame. I mean the down market structure retracement high. So once this market made this high, it means that on the weekly time frame and on the daily, market structure are no longer down. Okay, we have the first extension leg, extension, and we have the retracement to this level. So the same thing is what we have on the weekly is what we have also on the daily. All right, guys, it is only the monthly that the market structure is still very much intact, telling us that it is still down. And like I said earlier, the higher time frame controls price movement and price direction on the smaller time frame, which simply means that the market structure on the monthly time frame is going to control the market structure on the weekly and the market structure on the daily. What does that mean? It means that this up market structure, hopefully, that we are looking at coming up, okay, extension, retracement, okay, extension, retracement, this next extension leg is not going to happen. Why? 7 times out of 10, the market is going to, do all it wants to do within this area, and finally it's going to make a new low. That is what is going to happen, because the monthly market structure is stronger than the weekly and the daily market structure combined. So when the market is ready, the market is going to drop to the downside to the monthly support band area, and that is what I'm sharing with you guys right now in this video. Hopefully you understand and you like what you have just seen me doing. Please, if you like, please subscribe to my channel and like the video, comment, and let me know if you really like the video, and let me know what you guys you like me to share with you guys in my upcoming videos ahead. All right, So this a way of identifying and drawing market structure, it goes a long way for me, and it's going to help you because it's helping me, so it's going to help you guys even as beginners to understand how the market and how to look at the market technically speaking when it comes to how to identify and draw market structure. And believe me, my friends, this is what you're also going to do on the 4-hour time frame. All right, so on the 4-hour time frame right here, we're going to go all the way, okay, all the way to the monthly resistance band area. I don't know if we're going to get it. I don't want to spend too much time, but I think time is already out of my side, so we're just going to delete all of this stuff, okay, because we are not going to use them on the 4-hour charts. And we are going to go to the monthly resistance band area. Yeah, that is where we are going to start from, because that is how we can be able to easily understand where we should start drawing our 4-hour market structure. So like I said earlier, until you become so familiar with it, this is what you have to keep doing until you are so good at it. You have familiarized your eyes with it, you understand it, no problem, then you can easily spot it. I think on the 4-hour chart we didn't get the monthly bands, resistance band. But anyways, no doubt, if we start along the way, if we decide to start along the way right here, for example, previously the market structure, no doubt, was up right here, and the market started making this right here, extension, retracement, extension, retrace. Do we have a retracement there? We don't have here, but we have here. All right, so market structure on the 4-hour time frame. So we have a retracement here, so it goes on like this, and another one okay, we have a retracement here, higher high lows and higher highs, higher low, higher high, and the market made a new high. So let's just move forward like this. This is supposed to be a retracement, but because we have a low, so we're going to go, we're not going to consider that retracement because it is back in time, right? This is a high, this is supposed to be a low, and there is no retracement here, right? So we're just going to continue. We're going to extend this like this, and the market made a high that is higher than this high, change the market structure to up. So we have extension, retracement all the way to the upside. Hopefully also it's changed at this level, okay. Extension, retracement, and extension, and then also it's changed at this level, extension, retracement, and it goes on and on and on and on. And here also we have a short-term downtrend. The market structure changed to down right here, and it also changed to the upside. Yeah, because we have an extension, we have a short-term downtrend, retracement, extension, and also the market took it, extension, retracement. So we have a high here and a low, so it's going to be extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension, and broke this high, extension, retracement, and at this level we have extension, retracement, extension, right? So the market changed to the downside, so we have a extension, retracement, this is a high, and we have an extension, retracement, extension, no retracement, retracement here, okay, extension, retracement, extension to the downside right here, and the market made the low, so we have extension, we have a retracement, and we have an extension, and the market changed to the upside, extension, retracement, extension, So we have a short-term downtrend here, exactly. So extension, retracement, we have lower lows, lower high. Do we have? No, there's no retracement here because this low is lower than this low. Yes, this is not a low compared, this is a low, so we don't have a retracement here. So it is still extension, and the market changed once this low was terminated. Okay, as you can see here, so we have a new down market structure at the time. So we have extension, short-term uptrend, retracement, and extension towards this level. And let's not forget this is the borderline here, this up area. As you guys can see, we confirm from you, we have a higher highs, higher low here, and a higher high, higher low, higher high, right? So that's the borderline, this area here. Now let's see, did the market broke it? Yes, it did. So at this point in time, we have extension, retracement, extension, a huge retracement, and extension to the downside. All right, then the market changed. From here we have a market wave, market structure, extension, retracement, extension, retracement, and extension. So the market changed, okay, took out the borderline here. All right, so we have do we have a short-term uptrend at this level? Yes, we have a short-term uptrend. Okay, so the market became extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension. Okay, but the market made a new low. All right, it made a new low. So this was extension, retracement, extension, retracement. It made a new high. So we are not going to consider this anymore. So it's going to be like extension, retracement, extension, retracement, and the market went down, 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 made a new okay, so from here it became from all the way up right here. No, this is the borderline here. Okay, and extension, so we have extension down here, retracement, because this high was terminated. So instead of considering this as a retracement high, market structure, down market structure, retracement high, I'm going to take it up because we have this high here too, and the market continued to the downside. All right, that's the reason why I'm considering it to go like this: extension, retracement. We need a low that is lower, and this is low. No, it's not lower than this low. This low is not lower, so we're going to come all the way here: extension, retracement for a new down extension. And the market's changed to the upside. All right, it changed to the upside market structure, and we have a retracement somewhere here. I just want to be fast about it. We have a do we have a short-term downtrend here? No. So where do we have the retracement? Do we have a retracement here? Anywhere here? No, no, no. We don't have a retracement inside this movement. So let's find a retracement. So this was where we got the retracement here. So this was an extension, retracement, extension, I mean retracement here, and extension here, retracement here. We have extension, we have a retracement. So the market went from this area. There are no retracements, no retracements. Yeah, we got, no, we need a high. We need a high. There's a retracement here, but this high is not higher than this high, so we're not going to consider it. So the market went all the way here, all the way to that area, right? So that was an extension movement, market structure. So once this low was terminated, so automatically the market structure changed, right, to the downside, right? So we have market structure, extension here, we have a retracement, we have a short-term uptrend here. No, and the market came down to this level. So the market did not break this high. Okay, so what happened? The market continued to the downside, so we're going to go all the way by extension, retracement. All right, that was a down market structure previously. So the market made a new high here that is higher than this high. So it should have been, let's see, did the market make a new high here? No. So the market structure still continues to the downside. So this goes like this. Okay. Yep. And we have a next extension leg. I'm trying to be fast because I am familiar with this. So this is going to go like this too. Yeah, not to complicate things, right? Yeah. So because this is the highest high, it's higher than all of these highs here, and then it continues and to go all the way. So let's check. We have a retracement here. We have a retracement to this level here. Extension, retracement. Yes. So high, and down. The market made a low here. So this is a low. We have a retracement in this level here, extension, retracement, and then down to this level, which is the last leg of the extension market structure. So the market broke this high here, changed the narrative to the upside. We have market structure, extension, retracement, a short one here, retracement is here, and we have this guy here, and then all the way here. Right, then the market changed again. Okay, when it terminated this low here, right, to the downside. So we have extension, we have a new high that is higher than this high, so we're just going to go down. Okay, and extension, retracement, hopefully. Okay, so we have this, the market make a new do we have a short-term uptrend here? No, so we have a new low here. All right, so that was previously, that was the market structure. Okay, because this was the highest high. Okay, extension, retracement, extension, so all the way to the downside. So I'm going to change the color. All right, that's the market structure on the 4-hour chart. So right here, the market took out this borderline, that market structure retracement high. As we can see, once the market started making higher highs from here, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, this high is higher than this high. So this down market structure, okay guys, we have the trend line also confirming the trends, okay, was taken out. Okay, it means that this down market structure is no longer valid. The market structure right now on the 4-hour time frame is what? Is up. So we have a extension, yes, we have a retracement here, retracement, we have extension, we have a retracement, we have a huge extension, and where is the lowest low? So I think this is the lowest low, this is a low, extension, and we need a high. So far this is where we are. All right guys, so the market made a new low here, so I'm going to move this guy here. Okay, and this is still the high. All right, so extension, retracement, extension, a huge retracement. The market did not make a new high that is higher than this high here. All right, and for now this is going to be the retracement low. And let's not forget we have this one here too. But right now, this is the most relevant up market structure retracement low, this guy here. And hopefully we can get a clue from the trend line, because we can see that at this point in time the trend line was taken out. What does that simply mean for us? It means that hopefully a sell is coming. Okay, a sell is coming, and we can see that the market sold, still playing around within this area. Now, two things is going to happen. The market is either going to make a high that is higher than this high, okay, or the market is going to, you know, play around and make a new low. So once that happens, if the market should make a new low, okay, somewhere here, anywhere here, then we're going to have extension. So this is going to be what? Extension, like extension to the downside. That is what it's going to be, right? So let me not to confuse situation, let us stay like this. Okay, let's say like this. Okay, so once the market terminates this for any reason, comes down and terminates this low here, then we're going to go in this manner. All right, it's going to be extension. I want to see which is the lowest low. Yeah, this is the lowest low, so it's going to be this in this manner. So we are going to have extension. But right now it's difficult to really understand very well at this area. We just have to allow the market do its thing. Okay, if the market is going to make a higher highs, higher lows, higher high, okay, hopefully this high is still going to be active, then we're going to see a drop to the downside. So once the market take out this low, at that time we are going to have extension, retracement, and extension. So that is what hopefully I'm expecting to see in the nearest future. Alright guys, so this is where I'm going to leave this video for now. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Give me a thumbs up, drop a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel for more. And from now, I'll be seeing you guys later in my next coming up video. Hopefully you enjoy this. Bye bye for now. I remain your humble J Van FS right here on YouTube. Peace.